A team game on ClapLab. This time I chose Tic-Tac-Toe, but there are plenty of other game templates, so you can choose the one that works best for you. The players split into teams, and on each turn, one team answers a question. If they answer correctly, they place an X or an O on the board. If they answer incorrectly, they lose their turn and play passes to the other team. So, how do you create a game like this? Open ClapLab, choose the Tic-Tac-Toe template, and simply start adding your questions one by one. Enter the question, then add the correct answer and the incorrect answer options. The game already looks fantastic on its own, but if you'd like to give it a personal touch, you can add images too. I created 20 questions, although you can definitely use fewer. This way, players can get different questions each time they play. And that's it! Save the game, share the link with your friends and family, and start playing together!